We're standing in the front, but you've never seen a backyard like this. My newly remodeled listing is nestled on a calm street just about 1.5 miles from downtown Sunnyvale with its Caltrain connection. It's also near Fair Oak Park, schools, and is surrounded by major tech companies and easy access to Highway 101, 237, and the Central Expressway. Now, let's jump inside. Welcome home! As you step inside, luxury vinyl plank flooring leads you into a sun-filled open floor plan where dual-pane windows and skylights reflect off the fresh paint, while built-in speakers add to the inviting atmosphere. Sliding by the dining area, we have a glamorous kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, vast cabinet space, and a pantry. Just past the kitchen, we have a cozy and bright family room that overlooks the serene backyard. All the bedrooms are comfortably sized with their own closets, while both bathrooms have been gorgeously renovated. The primary suites showcase a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a double vanity and jetted tub with shower above. And for the star of the show, the resort-like backyard, showcasing a gazebo, outdoor fireplace, fridge, fountain, French drains, and underground gas line for barbecue and plenty of lush plant life. That brings my tour to an end. I'm rennashee, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like the button and subscribe, stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.